Emancipation Proclamation. That is how we get Juneteenth. The thing that I want to bring out about Juneteenth is, yes, we are celebrating that freedom, and what we are celebrating is freedom from those states that demanded that slavery still be a part of the United States of America. Slavery actually did not end until 1866. Come on. But we want to celebrate that important moment from those who insisted that slavery remain a part of the U.S., which was June 19th. Now, the other thing that's important to all of us in this room is that we are not just celebrating the end of enslavement in Texas. We are here celebrating because of what our ancestors,
come on,
and I don't care if you're from Jamaica, Haiti, Panama, the continent, Venezuela, Colombia, all these places that the boat just happened to drop us off.
Right.
We are all impacted by slavery.
Yes.
Every last person in this room.
Yes.
So we are here not to just celebrate that day, but we are here to celebrate what our ancestors then did with their freedom. And I would say that twice. We're not here just to celebrate that day, but we're here to celebrate what our ancestors did with that freedom. Because in less than 10 years from Juneteenth, we dominated the U.S. Congress. We don't do that today.
Yep.
In less than 10 years, my family's from Oklahoma, right next to Texas, where there were 50, not just Tulsa, 50 all-black towns that were thriving in Oklahoma. We are here to celebrate what our ancestors did with that freedom once they got it. And so my question for everyone here today, in understanding what June 19th was, the question that I have for everyone here today is, what are you doing with your freedom?
Come on now.
Because as Charlotte was saying, we are Juneteenth 2.0 in this room. Because we didn't wait for anyone to free us.
Come on. We
decided when, where, how, and why. When we got our happy behinds on that airplane.
Boom, stickity boom.
Here to Panama. We chose our own freedom. Now the question is, knowing that we have that freedom, what will we do with it? Thank you.
Whoa! Gracias. Thank you. Woo-hoo!